Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start unit number 3, that is Office Automation 2. Yes, my dear students, in our previous class we already discussed what do you mean by word processing and how to open the word processing. First, we are going to revise the previous class topics, then we start today's class topic. Start. Now I am looking for Open Office. Open Office 4.1 and then click the Open Office Writer. It will just take 2 minutes. Just wait for open now. This is your LibreOffice Writer. Now I hope steps are clear to you. First click on Start, then Open Office, then select the Open Office Writer. After that, next topic is here. What are the different components of it? Yes, my dear students, all of you know that first line is called title bar. These are called vertical scroll bar. This is vertical scroll bar. This is horizontal scroll bar. This is horizontal ruler and this one is your vertical ruler. These are the different components and here you can see this white area. This area is called work area and the bottom line of any application is called what? This is status bar. Now next point is here. What are the different tabs in Writer? Tabs means beta parts of the menu bar. Here you can see File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Table, Tools, Windows, Help. All these are the different tabs in Writer. File tab. Now we have to discuss all the points that mentioned in your following tab. First one is here, File tab, that we already discussed. In File tab, what is there? If we want to open new file, want to open any another, that file already saved, want to open recent document, want to close the file, want to save. This kind of operations take place in File menu. Now, next menu is here, edit menu. In edit menu, what are there? Cut, copy, paste, want to compare the document, find and replace. This kind of options available in edit menu and view menu. As the name suggests, in view menu, all options are related to your view of the document like print layout, web layout. And next point is here, different toolbars are here. With the help of view tab, we can hide and show the different toolbars like status bar, ruler line. It's up to us. If we just click on it, now you can see here is no status bar. And want to see the status bar, again click on it. Means these buttons act as a toggle button. First you click, it show. If you another click, then it will hide. Now next point is here, insert menu. With the help of insert menu, as the name suggests, insert means with the help of insert menu, you can insert header and footer, want to insert any reference and want to use the break, want to use any special characters, you can insert all these from insert menu. Means want to insert table, want to insert any object, want to insert any picture, you can insert all these with the help of insert menu. Next one is here, format. Format means, my dear students, as the name suggests, format means what? It shows the formatting of the text. Means with the help of format menu, with the help of format tab, we can do the formatting of the text. Means want to set a paragraph, want to set the bullets and numbering list. Bullets means if we want to set our data without sequence, then we use bulleted list and numbering. When we want to represent our data into a sequential manner, then we use number list. These are the change case, means lower case, upper case. Want to change the case of the sentences, then we can use different types of cases. Styles and formattings, want to use any style, autocorrect, formula. wrap text, different types of alignments. All these points are available in your format menu. These points we already discussed. Now next point is here, table. Table means, my dear students, if you want to insert table, then we can insert with the help of table tab. Just click on table, click on insert table. Now you can set here name of the table, then how many columns you want, how many rows you want to use the heading, and then click on OK. Suppose I want to use just 2 rows and 2 columns table. After that, I'll click on OK. When you insert table toolbar appear here. With the help of table toolbar, you can set the borders, color, line colors, all borders, fill color, means want to fill the background color of the table like this. Clear? Want to insert the row, want to set the spaces between the text, want to move the text in bottom, insert row, insert column, delete row, delete column. All these things you can apply from here. Now next thing that you can see in table is, want to delete any rows, column, you can delete from here. Want to select the table, want to split the cell. Split cell means divide one cell into 2 parts. Suppose that my mouse cursor is here in cell number 2 and I want to split the cell. I just click on it. Now it will ask from me whether you want to split in how many parts, 2 parts, 3 parts. Suppose I want 3. And now it's asked direction, horizontal or vertical. Suppose I want vertical partition. Click on OK. Now you can see this particular columns divided into different part. Now auto format, formulas, anything you can do with the help of table. Now next tab is here, tools tabs. In tool tabs you can see different points are here like spelling and grammar check, want to word count, outline number, mail merge. These are the different options that available in tools tab. Next tab is here, Windows tab. In Windows tab, there are 2 options, new window, close window. Means if you want to open any new window, you can just click on it. It will open into a new window, and want to close any window, you can close like this. Next, last option is here, help. If we want any help, we can use help tab, as well as we can also use the F1 key. We just press it. It will show like this. Suppose we want to study about insert picture. Now we can study from here. Now it is showing insert mode for entering text. All these things it will show here. This kind of points are here. You can read all the anything you want to find out, anything you want to bookmark, content, simple content is here. What kind of things are text document, HTML document. These are not a part of your syllabus. Now you can just do from here. Suppose you want to insert comments. Now it will show you how you can insert the comment. Inserting comment, tools में जाओगे, open office, insert comment. You just click on, suppose you want to insert hyperlink, just click on it. It will show you how you can insert the hyperlinks. Suppose I want to insert the picture. In search box, I am writing insert picture. Here it is showing that different points, inserting buttons, जो भी आपको यहाँ से use करना. Suppose I want to insert picture, just click on it. Now it is showing to me how to insert the picture from graphics, how to gallery, how to scan images, कैसे insert करते हो. Different options are here. You can choose according to your requirement. Now this is all about your Open Office Writer, and whenever will be your next class, then we start Open Office Calc.